Hi everyone, welcome to
Live in Life.
My name is Victoria, this is my wifey.
Regina.
Mwah. Yeah, someone asked, oh, it's a girl and you kiss her. So I said, yeah, and I liked it. Long time ago.
I kissed a girl and I liked it.
Yeah. And today we're having Hawaiian feast.
Woo!
Or very close to
We
Hawaiian
miss
feast.
Hawaii so much.
So
We miss
this is
Loco Moco.
Loco Moco.
Wee!
This is Loco Moco. This is...
Not very Hawaiian.
Yeah, cabbage salad, something crunchy. And this is Haupia. Haupia. I'm not sure I can... Sorry if I'm butchering the name. So yeah.
You're crumbling a little bit. Butchering is such a harsh word. Just crumbling it a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Victoria really wanted more eggs. I said I'm perfect with one. I don't need 2 eggs. See? Beautiful.
Yeah, someone forgot something.
What?
Yes.
I don't know. What did you forget?
Something spicy.
Something spicy.
Sriracha.
Ooh la la.
So yeah, it's a little bit my take on, you know, on the deal here. Because try the patties and you will see why. This is fried rice. I really love the fried rice version.
This is so good.
Isn't it?
I love this meat
You know why?
because it's lamb.
Now I need to show you this shot. Yay! I know people love this one. You see how ooey and wonderful it is?
Flowing
Yes,
lava.
Flowing lava. Yeah, this is my favorite type of egg, sunny side up. How you eat your eggs? Let us know in the comments. Not everyone loves sunny side. Like
I like
we do.
sunny side.
I know you do.
Wow, this is so good.
And fried rice very good. I way prefer fried rice over white rice anytime.
Most definitely.
Even though classical Loco Moco comes with white rice, hamburger patties or any patties for this matter, and brown gravy.
White rice, eh?
White rice, yes.
I think we always ate Loco Moco with fried rice in Hawaii. Hawaii.
Yeah, because someone likes.
We prefer the fried rice for sure. This is so yummy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You nailed it, babe.
Thank you, honey.
And she's the reason I never want to go to restaurants. Because what's the point?
Thank you, honey. But I need to learn new recipes like this one.
Oh, for sure. The restaurants are way too overpriced, mostly.
Mostly.
And the food doesn't... Even if it's nice food, Victoria can make it better. And definitely not as expensive.
No. For sure. For sure.
My talented girl.
Oh, thank you, honey. I love you, brother.
Yeah, she hasn't seen me all day.
No, she just came, so I made all of this food.
Yeah, overtime. Basically lived at work today.
Actually, I preparing for my cooking classes, and the cooking classes are going to take place in Vancouver. So you're more than welcome to come to Vancouver and meet with me. The links are in the description box below. And I will insert here how it's called. It's Purple Night, and
It will be amazing.
yeah, it will be amazing and very tasty.
Yeah, first hand to try this marvelous, wonderful hands cooking by Victoria.
By the way, you can bring your kids 12 or up, and if 10 and up, the kid needs to be with the adult, but welcome to bring kids. We all are family oriented here. How's the gravy?
Amazing. I don't want to talk. I'm indulging in food.
I know. I hear it. Actually, I didn't eat today, except of a couple of bananas and apple maybe. I waited for her to come.
And I didn't expect to work that long, so I definitely didn't bring enough food. So I ate a couple of more candies to work, to bring my blood sugar up.
Yeah. Nice.
Whoa.
Oh yeah.
Wow, you're ready.
You need to have good spice.
In your life?
Mm-hmm.
That's funny.
Mm-hmm.
Hey cutie, you wanna come and say hi?
Yes. Folks. I'm gone. I'm nowhere.
There he is. Pure cuteness.
Show yourself.
Pure cuteness.
You too.
Yum. Mm-hmm. Oh, Ariel, you're eating, aren't you?
You vanished.
Very. Psh. Funny dude.
It's funny. He's so cute. I love this kid.
I love this kid.
I love you.
I love you too. A lot.
Wow. How much food did you give me?
I don't know.
You know how it is? When you're hungry, you come to eat and you feel so fast, but then you feel like 20 minutes later you're still hungry.
It doesn't happen to me.
No,
I'm
not
hungry,
always
I'm
though.
hungry.
Yeah?
When I'm hungry, I'm hungry.
And you know sometimes when you're really hungry and you eat, but you don't eat, you definitely eat less than you would normally eat.
It's only
And then you're
happens to
hungry
you,
again.
honey.
It only happens to me? No, I'm sure I'm not the only one. No? That doesn't happen to you?
No.
Okay.
When I'm hungry, I'm hungry.
No, but does it happen to you when you over hungry and then you would eat less than you would?
No.
Huh.
And I'm totally over hungry today. But I'm good now. It was awesome. I should have done tea or something, but it's okay.
Tea.
They want me to go and get tea? For you.
Nah, it's fine.
Did you really want?
Well, it sounds like a wonderful idea, but not necessarily we need to.
It's like tea. And then, okay, I'm going to take tea. You continue to eat, I think. And I'm going to put a tea kettle. Yeah, because
So obviously I need to boil the kettle, so Victoria left to do that, and I guess I'll eat with you guys meanwhile, but I thought the kettle pretty much boiled, but it's not, so it will be a few minutes. This is so awesome. What are you doing, sweetie?
I'm waiting for the tea.
Well, can I ask for lemon? Well, tea with lemon. Woohoo! The best. Isn't tea with lemon the best? I normally don't use any sweeteners in my tea, so no honey, no sugar, definitely. I never use sugar in my tea. Rarely I would use lemon. No lemon. Lemon, yes. Honey. But definitely not sugar.
By the way, do you want honey now?
No, sweetie, I'm good, thank you.
Green or black?
Combination.
How you do it?
It's no, it's the different one. Where's the little box? Should be a little box. Yeah. I have a combination of Earl Grey tea with green tea. In one. Yumsies. Yep, so I guess we'll wait for the tea. My tea is here.
This is Haupia. This is basically a coconut pudding. The problem is that I did it with I didn't have cornstarch, but I did have how it's called?
Tapioca starch.
Tapioca starch, and I did it with tapioca starch with the same proportions, but it didn't turn out well. It did turn out a little bit more like how it's
Pudding?
called? Like pudding, more rather than
Jello.
Jello, like it's supposed to be. Even though the flavor is wonderful.
Tastes amazing.
I really love the taste of it. It's very creamy, coconutty, and just wonderful.
It's better than Hawaiian one. It's the
Not
Hawaiian.
all of them.
Not all of them.
Well, the one that we tried on
Luau.
no, not on Luau. Luau it was very
It was okay. It was more like Jello than coconutty stuff.
yeah. No, one that we tried on farmers market that the lady made. It was this consistency. It was very mild and very, you know.
You know what the problem is now? The tea is way too hot.
I've tried my best. You're cute.
I'm tired. And tea is
I
like
think lilikoi on this one will be very nice.
ooh, passion
Lilikoi is
fruit.
passion fruit. And I know that, like, and it's not thoughtful too well. It's like white on white. You can see here a little bit better.
Did I say I miss Hawaii? I miss Hawaii.
Yeah,
Hawaii.
they really love the lilikoi. Here, there, here, there.
There.
Oh,
It's there. It's been a while. How many weeks it's been? 3? More? 4 almost?
I don't know. Too much. Yeah.
Yeah. I watched our videos and pictures from volcano. The eruption was like, oh my god, we missed that volcano.
I just uploaded the volcano on this channel as well.
Oh, you should so see the volcano. It's just beautiful. The volcano is amazing.
And we could sit and sit and sit.
And sit and just for hours we stayed in there and just
On
looked
end.
at the volcano.
Mm-hmm.
I've been there a lot, more than I expected. We'll go to the volcano.
Way more than I expected.
Yeah, when the lava lake started to rise and you could see more and more of the eruptions and stuff, that was like, we've just been there. We stayed there for hours, just watched it. It was beautiful. Such an amazing experience.
It was.
If you're lucky to be on a big island when, you know, the lava lake is up and you can see the eruptions, like, wow.
I know. I like it. So I like it way more than I liked anything that I've tried there.
It's really nice.
It's lovely.
It's more coconutty there. It's more like jello
Jello with a bit of
with a
coconut
bit tint of coconut,
and white. You know, something white.
something like. It was white.
This is way more creamy.
It was more translucent
Yeah.
in there.
It was definitely a lot of water and a little bit of a lot of sugar, a lot of water, and a little bit of coconut milk.
Oh, maybe it's coconut flavor.
No, it's coconut milk.
Okay,
It's pretty cheap coconut milk, you know.
sure enough.
A little bit more pricey than. Sorry. A little bit more pricey than water, but still.
Depends. There's a lot of conspiracy around water
Water.
industry.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And if it's where's the water coming from, right? Or is it just bottles filled with tap water? Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they made it with tap water. So don't go over your head.
I'm talking about the tap water in the bottled water that they sell.
Yeah, but I'm feeling like I bet that it was luau in some of the hotels, and you know what? I've been in hotel kitchens. I know what's going on there. I know everything is.
Yeah, I worked in the kitchen too when I was still in high school. Helped, so yeah, it was a long time
Yeah.
ago, but yeah. Sometimes it makes you never want to go to restaurants.
No.
But let's switch to this one. It's amazing.
Really, I love those. That's why if you see our vlogging channel, you see every time I see some window to the kitchen, I'm stuck to it because I love how it looks like, especially when it's like, you know, good quality food. And I always stuck to. I really love when they put kitchen window to the kitchen.
Ariel does the same.
You always start to see how they make it and what they make in there, and
You do.
that's why you can see. At least I can see that it's clean and and how the food is actually
Yeah, but
prepared.
lots of kitchens you can't see. But anyway, let's talk about
I
my
know.
wonderful tea. Life is good.
Life is awesome.
Miss Hawaii, but life is good.
Now I can go easy to sleep.
I know. But you know what the sad part is? I was at work really early and I came back, well, it's late. And I have to get up tomorrow really early again
And do all over again.
and do it over again because I'm on overtime tomorrow as well because we're so short staffed. Yeah.
I'm sorry, honey.
Oh, it's okay. I need to get ready for next vacation. We love our vacations. I'm hooked on vacations. I always joke it's my mental health. If I wouldn't go on vacation, if I don't have one big vacation a year, I think I'll go crazy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Literally. you know, it gets to this point when, you know, life gets so busy and stuff. I just need to get away from everyday life. It just, that's what it basically is.
Yeah.
You just have to. So anyway, as I was saying, to go right away from work, you know, have lovely dinner with you guys as much as we love you, and then go right away to sleep, it's kind of sad.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I can do much. Maybe watch a movie or something.
Yeah. Even though I'm somehow sleepyhead today.
So am I. I went to sleep way too late yesterday.
I know.
I didn't expect. I thought, oh, I'll come home early. I'll have a nap because I'm started so early, so I'll finish early.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
no nap.
Not a chance.
Not a chance.
I think we'll finish for today. What do you think?
Hooray! Hey, hey.
Hey,
Yes,
hey.
I'm done.
You will continue to drink the
I'll
tea.
bring my tea. It will take a little while. Just slowly sip on it.
Yeah.
And we love you guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to this channel. Alright, that's a comment, thumbs up us, and cheers.
Subscribe.
Love in life. Yeah. Oh.
Living life.
Where's my voice going? Ooh.
No, don't.
I don't know. We'll see.
Save your voice.
Yeah, I don't know. I talk too much. It's
Jesus.
not. I talk too much.
Yeah.
So hopefully that's what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, cutie. Oh, I miss you too. My cutie.
So see you
Yeah, see you
tomorrow. Bye.
Boy.
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 Yeah, you're my boy.
Bye bye, boys and girls.
Bye bye.